Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds Fit earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So this is the iPhone 16e. So first thing is we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Okay, so go to settings. And then from settings, you want to go to Bluetooth. Okay, so Bluetooth is right there. Tap on Bluetooth. Make sure it's toggled on. Okay, now see that little spinny thing right there? It's searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. So let's go ahead and open up the lid on the case, make sure the buds are in there. And if it's not paired to another device that's near you, it should show up down here. Okay, it's not finding it. Okay, the reason why it's not finding mine is because I think I'm connected to my MacBook. So let me keep the lid open, let me turn it around, and let me put this in pairing mode manually now. So that little button right there, I'm going to press and hold it until we get a blue light here. Okay, so ready, press and hold, keep holding still, just wait. Oh, there's a blue light flashing. Let go. Now, what do you know? LinkBuds Fit. Let's go ahead and tap on that right there. And we are now connected. Okay. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.